Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and well, I kind of ordered again from Deramores. In my defence, I've opened the box already so that I could dispose of some of the packaging. In my defence, they send me these little vouchers, these money off vouchers. And so last time I thought, you know, I'd get an extra 10% off. So maybe I'll get some more of that yarn I liked. And that was what drew me in. They've done it again. They've sent me a money off. And they sent me an email which said I'd get 25% off if I spent over £20. But it expired last night and I knew this one was on the way, and I thought, you know, you can't trap me again. Well, yeah, I suppose they can. But anyway, I have a little order, and it's all things, well, there's a couple of things that I've had but not tried yet. But mostly it's all things I've not actually tried before. And was on their offer, so I thought I would have a little go at it, see what it was like. So yeah, it came in this huge box. So let's have a look. What did I get? Now this one is new to me. It's Rico Design. Do you remember I had the Rico Design creative cotton and I made my tote bag with that? I'll put a link to that at the end of the video if you haven't seen it already. There are left and right hand tutorials for it, so I'll put the right, but it should link to the left in any case. So this is their creative soft wool. It's an Aran, which is a 4 weight across the pond. So for 100 gram ball, you will get 300 meters. Now, for some odd reason, they decided on a white band to put silver writing, which it's not that easy to see in this kind of light, but it is 75% polyacryl. I guess that's premium acrylic, and 25% wool. There's not a great deal of English on the band, so it is possible that it wasn't really designed to come to this market, I don't know. But the shade number is 5694, but I love this orange. It flares a little bit with the light, but it is a kind of a matte, I don't know if I bring it closer, will it show true colour? I don't know, it makes it a little bit richer than it really is. Like, that's the colour there. That's it. So I love that colour anyway. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You look like humongous balls, don't they? They look bigger than 100 grams, but they are 100 grams. But I love that orange, and I've got 4 of those to give that a try. Lovely and soft, absolutely beautifully soft. So that's a hit. And I also ordered this colour. And again, same make, same Rico Design creative soft wool Aran, or 4 weight, but I haven't got a clue what possessed me to order the quantity that I have. I went a bit crazy with this stuff. I don't know what I had in my mind about what I would make, but I certainly have enough to make quite a size object with it. So it's exactly the same, 100 grams, 300 meters, and 75% premium acrylic and 25% wool, and it is well soft. I mean, really, it is dreamy soft. But this colorway, I hate that name, colorway, is 5121. 5121, but isn't it lovely? It's kind of like a camel color, maybe, would you call it? Camel. So I got 1, pay for it, I went a bit mental, whoops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I bought 10 of these, so I should have more than enough, more than enough to make something of some consequence out of that. Well, and if you consider that there's 4 of the orange that I could put with it, excuse me, I had something stuck to my foot then. It's because I've been wearing flip-flops all day. It's been a lovely day. But even though that's a lot, there's more in the box. Let's dive in. My last Deramores order, this is the reason, this is the one reason that I ordered again. I wanted to get that lovely blue, but I couldn't get that. So I managed to order that on eBay. But I got some of this. Now this is the Stylecraft new Swift Knit Super Chunky. So that is in the US a super bulky, say a 6 size. And this shade is 6060 Heather, but I absolutely love these colours. They're a little bit more moody than it suggests when you put it close. There you go, that's what it's like. Pop that back in. Yeah, it's kind of a muted bunch of colours, really kind of moody, if you like, and I like that. I like that a lot. So let's see, what do you get for your money? I know I've told you this one before. 80% premium acrylic and 20% wool. 82 meters, no, sorry, 62 meters and 68 yards. I have no idea where my glasses are. I could have a pair here, maybe. Very organised, so unlike me. Oh, they're very, very murky. Probably see better without them. But no, that is 62 meters and 68 yards. And the washing instructions are there. There's lots of symbols. You know me and symbols. They're not the best of friends. Oh, they're very dirty. I need to take those off. So this was one of my favourites from my previous order, and this was the reason I went back with my incentive money off thing and went again. So how many did I get? I think I cleaned them out this time, and I only got another 3. So I think I already had 2, so that means I've got 5 skeins. And as it's a super chunky or super bulky, that won't go as far because obviously the yardage is less. It feels like it's going to slip off. But I thought, that looked a nice colour. So I dipped in and see what else they had. And I absolutely love this one. It's the same. It's the Stylecraft Super new Swift Knit Super Chunky. Oh, too many S's there. Sorry, I was struggling away. But this one is called Lagoon. Did I tell you what that one was called? Whoa, I'm gonna drop it. That one was Heather. Put Heather in there so she doesn't fall on the floor. And this one is Lagoon, and it's beautiful. Look at those colours. It's got lovely collection of mauves and lilacs and different blues and even like to turquoise. But just, aren't they divine? They're really, really lovely. Beautiful colours. And I haven't made anything with such chunky yarn for ages, and I really fancied it. Might have to knit with it though, because when you crochet sometimes it just stiffens right up, or I don't know if I've really liked to crochet really chunky yarn. I haven't made that many projects like with really, really, really chunky yarn. So I have a hobby order coming, believe it or not. They got me as well in their tractor beam, and so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So that was all they had of this one, so I couldn't get any more, and they may get more in, I guess. It is new after all. So I don't like the way they rip open the bags. Could be a little more careful, and then the bags are easily more reusable, should I say. So yeah, I got 4 of those. And then last, but by no means least, I got this one. Now this is Stylecraft, and it's called Life Heritage. And I've not had this before, this range. It's again an Aran weight, which is a 4 weight in the US. It's 75% premium acrylic and 25% wool. And in each skein there's approximately 198 meters, 217 yards, and lots of strange combination of colors there. And did I tell you what it was called? Autumn Leaves is the name of this one, and the number is 2708. But there's oranges and bright pink, there's magentas and all kinds of colours in there. And then every now and then this little fleck of a kind of cream colour just to pop. So I don't know what that'll look like once it's made up, but I have to have a look and try that one. So I did order a fair bit of this. Again, it was on offer. So I got all this lot. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 skeins. So there's definitely enough there to make a wearable, perhaps. Don't know. That's one of the things I've been doing lately. Whenever I've been ordering, is I've been trying to get more quantity. I used to just order a little bit of this, a little bit of that, see what it was like, but then you can make a scarf and then you can make a hat, but you can't really make much else. So I decided that I would try, where possible, to get some quantities so that if I did fancy making something bigger, then I could. But I don't really know what I had in mind for this one. Although it's premium acrylic and wool, I wouldn't say it's as soft as the other one. You wouldn't, it's not itchy. You wouldn't mind that next to your skin. It smells wonderful. But it's not as soft as this one is incredible. Just incredibly soft. Look at that. It's so squishy. It's beautiful. You can imagine making a huge bear and just snuggling up to it. Anyway, that's all she wrote. That's all I got. Well, I say all. It's enormous, an enormous box. And I have another one coming from Hobby. And all the time I keep saying I'm not going to order more yarn. I'm not going to buy any more yarn. And today we went into town and I bought some more yarn from Pound Stretcher. You may remember when I made this blanket here, I bought some ivory and some pink from there, and I bought some more. It is such good yarn for 69p a skein for a 50-gram ball, and it is soft, easy to work with, no mistakes or faults in it. It's just beautiful stuff. So I did buy some more, but then I've got to make baby stuff, so that's cool. It was pink and it was ivory, or creamy ivory, so that was fine. You've seen that one before anyway if you're a regular to my channel. So yeah, I hope you like my little order. I like the orange and I like this brown. I haven't got a clue what I'm going to make yet. Yeah. So need that yarn room, don't really need the yarn room. Well, today a little bit of news on the yarn room. Bought some wallpaper and I bought a carpet, and I also bought the stuff to lay it with because I'm going to do it myself, and Gary can't get down there and do that. It's got to be me. That would be good for my knees. And so he's going to do the papering, I'm going to do the carpet. Also bought some paint, and I also got the paint to do the legs of my stool. I know I bought the shiny paint, but I wanted to get some. I bought a couple. I bought white and I bought black, so it won't see what looks better, so I can put it with the shiny paint and see what one comes out the winner. So it's going to be a little while because, you know, we've got to wait until Gary's off next before it all gets done, but it's getting there slowly. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You'll be informed when there are new videos, and watch out for my hobby order. God knows where I'm going to put all this stuff. I really need that room. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye for now and stay safe, everyone.